back again with another video. Today is going to be a mixture of Matco and Snap-on because I only got one tool haul. For this week, I ordered these 3-piece extra long pin punch set with handle and striking cap. Part number SPP XL3PC. So if you need to punch something at a long distance and you got a handle here and you got your striping cap right there, here's a, I guess that would be your medium one, or this would be the thickest one. See if I can get that to focus. Yep, this is your smallest one. As I was saying, this is the thickest one. This is a small one. My focus. There you go. And this is the medium one. So small, big, medium. I'll get here's the length of an increased axis, 16-inch length, gets into those hard to reach areas. Comfort grit, super strong steel, and there it says in Spanish as well. So I got these specifically for I do bearing races, or if you do a knock sensor on Cummins ISB, you gotta knock it a little bit to loosen all the rust. Get this on that sensor, hit it a couple times on each kind of around the sensor, and pop her off. So I got those. I got this 3-piece. Oh, my light died. 3-piece Pride driver set from Matco. Part number SSPDG3. So these are actually meant for prying. They're a little thicker than your actual pry bars, or screwdrivers, not pry bars. So that's a small one. That's the second, the medium one. They also have a striking cap, both of them. There's a grip. This is a large one. And then for the Snap-on tool that I got this week that I've been wanting, I just haven't had the chance to time to order it. Oh, I have, see the part number 203 FXW KL. A 3, 6, and 11 inch. So I got a socket here. This is just your basic Craftsman 10mm 3/8 deep. So you'll hold the locking rings in the back, and it has like a teeth in here and a ball right there. Put it in there. Oh, I it's not gonna work with these, I don't think so. There you go. Snap it in place. It's wobble and it's locking. That I know of, I believe only Snap-on makes these locking wobble extensions as of 2020, September 30th, 2020. So I don't know when you guys will see this video, maybe the next day. But yeah, it's cool. You have a 6, 3-inch, and a, was that a 11-inch? Yeah, 11-inch. And that I know of, I think only make I believe in 3/8, maybe in half. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But I know they don't have them on quarter. I asked if they had them on quarter and they don't. So a little bit of a, so you can see how it works a little bit. There's your locking mechanism, and there's a ball bearing in there. I don't know if it's in between that one and that one, but yeah. So that's the Matco and Snap-on tool haul for this week. Catch you guys again. See you guys later.